Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am eating McDonald's. Now I have made a massive fuck up basically. I forgot to order the Big Mac sauce, so I'm completely gutted. I was really looking forward to it. But on the menu we have some large fries. I have a snack wrap and I wanted to try, this is new, it's a sweet and, what's it called? Sweet and sticky barbecue chicken burger. So I also have some ketchup and mayo and some barbecue. I'm just gonna get into it. Oh, also I have some Fanta. I want to apologise to you guys because I haven't made a video. I haven't made a video in a long time. About 5 days. So I'm going to do a mukbang for you guys because I know how much, no serviettes either. My God. I know how much you miss these videos and, you know, so, and I've got a lot to talk to you about. Well, I haven't, but, you know, fancy the ketchup. So how is everyone? I have been working non-stop, hence why the videos have been, you know, haven't made one. And I do apologise guys, because my job is, you know, whenever I'm required to work, my days are never always the same. So, you know, they change all the time. I'm gonna put some barbecue in there. So I do apologise if my videos are quite sporadic, but I've also been going through a bit of a mental health kind of, you know, time. So let's have some of the, actually let's check it so if it's recorded. Guys, and I'm gonna get into this now. I'm so hungry. Let's get into this spicy wrap. So what we have is chicken, some spicy mayo and lettuce. Here we go. Wow, look at this. It's quite spicy. Can't believe I forgot spicy mayo, the Big Mac sauce. And by the way guys, this video is going to be, I know you guys, I really like doing kind of more intricate videos, you know, like my last one, cooking. This is a quick video. Just got back from work and McDonald's it was, because I'm just so tired. So the next video I've already got planned is going to be the video that, you know, a more intricate, non-fast food video, and I like those. So let's try this burger. Oh my God. So we have bacon, chicken, salad and cheese. So let's go and barbecue. God. I've had my hair done. Can you tell? I've had my roots done. well, a full set of highlights, and I've got longer hair, so a few inches. I think my hair's like 26 inch now. I'm sorry about the lighting as well, guys. It's very dark here. So hungry. Can't believe it's got the Big Mac sauce. Oh my god. These straws. Oh my god, look. These straws are shit. So, I've been so busy. So busy. I feel guilty because I know you're all out there waiting for my next video. You're anxiously waiting. So I do feel like kind of pressured because now, you know, I have other things going on in my life. It's harder. But you know what? I will always make time for videos because I love you all. I really do. This is very barbecue-y. There's some sort of like relish, something in it as well, which is quite nice. That's so good. So yeah, should be getting on with life. Chilling. Like a bit in. I do feel better though in my mental health. I really do. I feel better this week. Oh my god. I was so hungry and I finished it. I don't normally finish all my food. But that was amazing, guys. It really, really was. And I really, really, when you're hungry, you really appreciate it. So guys, I hope you like my new hair. Can you tell? I hope you liked the video. I hope you had something lovely with me today to eat. And, you know, I'm glad we caught up because it's been a while. I'm always thinking about you guys. I'm always wanting to make videos even when I can't. I'm always thinking about ideas. This was a kind of scrambled kind of video because I needed to do, you know, I needed to chat to you guys. So, you know, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think of the video, and I'll see you in my next one.